Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can find most of the items on CNA Simulator. So here is where you'll find most of the items. You'll need to get out your ID badge and scan it if the door isn't opened. You'll need most of the things except for the bedpans because it is reusable. So grab everything. I'm just showing it to you guys here. And then this is where sorry, wrong room. This is where you'll like throw away dirty linens down this chute. And then here is where you can get the defibrillator, sorry. And in the like middle area, sometimes you'll need to get stuff here. The like glucometer is here. That's where you send up tubes. This is the Pixie Med Station where you basically get the medicine for your patients. There's a lot here, so just select it and select drawing and then select collect once it's done. Whoops, I actually don't need this right now, but that's just like some ice machine. There's also another tube system here, and oops, I think I missed this section. You can dispose of medication here, and you can get the bladder scanner here as well if you couldn't find it. This is where you can find blankets. This is where you can get new linens to put here, the linen storage, as you can see. And that's pretty much where everything is. And then here's just like clean linens, and this you can like put it here first. If it's full though, you need to put it down the chute. And that's pretty much where every item is. Basically, I was confused at first, but it's there. So again, it's like in the supply room, or it's like in the like middle like area. Just going to throw this away. Wait, where is it? Area. Hold on, like I don't remember where it is. Out here. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. That's where everything is. Also, the IV pump is here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.